Hi, I'm Kevin Bird. I'm a licensed real estate salesperson with Sarnia RE/MAX. I grew up here in Sarnia. I know how beautiful this area is. Sarnia-Lambton is unlike any other area in Ontario. It's a hidden gem. I spent over 40 years in sales and marketing, and over that career I learned a lot, and I can bring all that experience and expertise into my real estate practice. When you're looking to list your property or to buy a home, you want to make sure you're working with the right real estate professional. Someone who understands your goals, your needs, your expectations, who understands your style and what you want to have in life. I can help find the right home for you. If you'd like to learn more about how I can help, please call me or contact me through my website. I look forward to meeting with you soon. Thank you very much.